Put on all 4 swivel casters. You'll hear a click sound when you press down, which means it's connected. Connect the long standing holder with the short standing holder. Cross 2 base bars. Place the concave base bar first, then put on top the convex bar. Cover the base bars with the black fixator. Install the standing holder onto the fixator, then put it sideways. Place the metal plate at the button and tighten the screw. Use wrench to tighten it if needed. Make sure the concave side of the metal plate is facing the base bars. Put on the main machine. Install the cold steamer. Place the hot steam inlet cover on top to avoid dust getting in. Block the outlet beneath the main machine. You can adjust the height by twisting the fixator, connecting the long and short standing holders. Turn counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten. The tiny hole next to the hot button is the water inlet hole of hot steam. Use drinking water for hot steam and always make sure there's water in the glass bottle. Avoid dry heating, which may cause malfunction of the device. Fill in enough water that's above the lowest point of the metal needle and beneath the max line. When water runs above the max line, the device will be turned off automatically. And when water runs beneath the lowest point of the metal needle, the alarm will go off and the device will stop working. The button on the right is for hot steam. Wait for 2 to 5 minutes for the mist to shoot out. The button on the left is for sterilization. You need to turn on the hot steam before turning on. Sterilization light. The UV lights can be turned on to kill bacteria. The light button can also adjust the mist volume. Turn on the light button to increase the mist volume and turn off the light button to decrease the mist volume. Twist clockwise to detach the glass bottle. Aim the 3 snap-fit joints of the glass bottle at the main machine and twist counterclockwise to install. Cold steamer water inlet is at where you insert the cold steamer. Lift it up and fill in the water tank with purified water, distilled water or just cold boiled water. You can see clearly the water tank volume from the front. Check if the water outlet at the bottom of the machine is blocked. Fill in enough water that's above the minimum line and beneath the max line. Otherwise, the device will be turned off automatically. The white knob can be turned clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the output of the mist. Twist clockwise to turn on the cold steam. You'll hear a click sound. Twist clockwise to increase the mist volume and counterclockwise to decrease the mist volume. You can use hot steam and cold steam at the same time. But I always clean the glass bottle once a week, and it's best to fill in fresh water every day and not to exceed a whole week.